welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to do a review of the tower placemats in gold. They come in 4, so we're a family of 5, so we had to buy 2 packs, which was 8. They are quite nice, and I've had a lot of placemats before, but this one is very good, very durable. All you do is just spray it with a bit of sanitizer, wipe it with dry cloth, and you're good to go. The cleaning is easy. It's not really flexible, like flimsy like other ones. It's quite solid, and like you can see, nice, lovely. It has the coasters also for the cups. I'm going to demonstrate it now. To use the placemat, I'm going to place them on the table. So, and then in front of it you put the coasters for the cups, and then you place your cup on that. This is my dinner plate. I'm going to place it there, and you can also put your cutlery on the placemat. This is really truly beautiful, and I would recommend it, especially if you can buy the placemat together with a gold finish, white and gold finish dinner plate. I've done a review already on that. It matches perfect well and is really beautiful. Thank you for watching my channel, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.